all traders were green yesterday. I hope investors are well hedged to soften the blow or maybe even pull profits from this market as it's pulling back. I almost feel bad about pulling daily profits out of this market. So many other traders and investors are in a lot of pain. What a beautiful trending day. A disciplined trader can turn the stock market into their own personal ATM machine, and anyone, I do mean anyone, can learn how to do this. Congrats to Trend Catalyst members yesterday who tactically nailed these setups. Here at Trend Catalyst, we focus on trader discipline. Trade quality is more important than trade quantity. So many traders feel the need to constantly be trading, and those traders that feel this need are constantly chasing. Most traders are over trading. The losses are adding up, affecting their confidence. So let's talk about the market. In the morning, we picked up monkeypox news. The night before, sexual misconduct news about Mr. Musk and his voter choice had been made public. So let's look at the SPY. We pushed up early right into resistance. At open, we chopped around holding this fib level, breaking below this fib level here and forming this flag at pre-market lows. Breaking below this level let us know that it was a good opportunity. It was time to go in. At this time, we have a lot of monkeypox news steady rolling into, coming from the squawk coming in. We're having very big bearish option flow coming in. So these are factors that allowed us to also enter the short side of the trades here. So we were in puts on the way down, right to the side of the channel, textbook move, flagged over right into the 9, breach again, flagged at a fib level, breach that. A trader in our Discord was calling a support level right here, so we knew we were coming into another support level. This allowed us to flag again, right into our channel once again, break into the downside. So this candle right here give us a trend break right into a fib level. So for me, this is a no trade area, too close to the fib level. Just going to wait, be patient to see what's going to happen here instead of chasing the candles. So touching here, that's what allowed me to draw this trend line. We didn't come back and hit it here, but this is a bottom ascending triangle. So you're getting a constant test of this level here. You can see how the time span was getting shorter. That's a good sign. We got a classic trend catalyst trend break here at a fib level. This gives us some upside movement, and we were able to trade the SPY to the downside, caught the reversal, and we're able to trade it back up to the upside. It's so important to recognize days like Thursday when we just chopped around. So there was trade opportunities in here, but you got to realize that your decay is eating at you while they're chopping the market around, versus a day like this is when it's a more active day. So there's money to be made here, but you use risk management. Days like yesterday, Friday, you go in and try to basically pay the bills, catch up for anything that you were a little short on from a day before. So it's very important to know when your edge works. And personally, my edge does not work as well into a ranging market as it does a trending market. There's a huge difference there. So let's look at Tesla, since we picked up news on Mr. Musk. And there was some constant Twitter post and stuff that was happening. He's very active on Twitter, and it can cause spikes in price of certain things at certain times. Other than this opening big sell here, right at open, it pretty much performed. That's the only time it really outperformed the market. It pretty much performed with the market after it started flagging. A lot of the same setup. AMD, which has been on our radar a lot lately due to having a lot of heavy option flow, presented a lot of really nice trades. So for me personally, I seen when we breached this fib level here and built a small base right here, a small flag right under this fib level, that's when I took an entry to the downside and was able to ride it down. Once again, flagging presented a lot of really nice opportunities to get in here. Once again, classic trend break play. pushing up. Let's take a look at Apple. They've been circling Apple because Apple did hold in better than a lot of other stocks. So it seems like people are, going short on Apple now is a lot fresher than some of these other stocks that are so beat down. Pretty much followed the market, but if we go out in time, you can see that we've been in a descending channel for a while now. Another one that we've been keeping a close eye on is SOFI, and we had just broke out Thursday. It broke out of this little tight range it had been trading in. Broke out Thursday, looked good going into pre-market. Even put it in the video thinking there may be some upside on it coming into Friday. Just didn't get it. It followed the market to the downside. Another one I want to take a minute and talk about that I put in the last video was XCUR. Was a really small cap penny stock that had a nice gap and go set up here and after hours, and I posted it in the Discord for anybody who wanted a pre-market opportunity. This had a nice push, and it's a very small stock, so when you're looking at 13 cents versus 15 cents, still some percentage there to be made. NVDA was also extremely weak yesterday with a lot of heavy bearish flow coming into it as well. You can see it too followed a lot of the 70-80% of the charts you're going to look at followed that same pattern as the SPY traded in. I hope everybody has a good weekend. I just wanted to do a short recap on our day and talk a little bit about the trends. I hope maybe you can find something useful. If you like what we're doing here, give us a like, subscribe, join us in our Facebook group. There's a lot of free educational material in our guide section and in our topic section. Follow us on Twitter. If you're serious about learning to trade and you're interested in turning the market into your own personal ATM, then join our Discord. I post daily catalyst information, live market commentary, news squawks, volume, option flow callouts, stock movements. I share a screen in the afternoons and talk about non-cherry pick setups, real trading. There's trading courses. If you want to learn how to trade options, there's only one tier. It's $30 a month. All traders are equal, no matter your account size. Nobody has any more information than the next person. It's one thing that I don't like when I look in other Discords, because somebody who can get more information because they have more money they're able to spend once a month, and I just don't feel that's fair. So we try to keep everybody equal in Trend Catalyst. Every question is treated with respect, and you can ask questions throughout the trading day. I hope you guys find this helpful. Please give us a like and a follow. Join us in the Facebook group at least. We post a lot of catalyst information there from time to time. Some trader discipline information. There's already a lot of learning material in there. Have a good weekend, everybody.